how to create an Apple ID for a child. First, you want to load up your settings on your main phone, and then you will click on family here. It might also be underneath your name. So once you click on name here, you should see family underneath iCloud. So you want to click on family, and then you will select the plus sign if you have previously created an Apple family. So it is going to take you to a screen that looks like this, and you will see create child account right here. Once you click on create child account, then it is going to ask for the first, last name and date of birth. Here it's going to tell us that the account will be part of your family until the child is at least 14 years old. You must be an adult and a child's parent or legal guardian to provide consent. After you have filled out this information, you will just click on create child account, and that's going to make an Apple ID for your child. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.